doing that.
Yeah, that's why. Hi! So, rest muna kami ni Daddy sa isang rest area habang nagte-travel papuntang Greenville. So, nandito kami sa South Carolina. Ako yung nag-drive, and then si Daddy and doon sa sa vending machine. Bibili siya ng kanyang drinks kasi may water ako. Depends on you.
Dang, it's gonna hang every time.
So it's lost.
Yeah.
Yan nakasabit again. Again, good. So hindi kami nalugi dahil nakasabit siya. Come on. Oh. And then nag-ano pa, meron kami tapos lemonade daw. Or lemon. Number 12, Daddy.
12?
Yeah.
What's 12?
Lemon.
Work?
Okay. No. Okay. Ito pala, lemonade. Perfect. Ayan, kumain kami ng candy bar. Caramel. Shall we?
Mm-hmm. Just went to your...
Oh, our map.
That's lemonade? Sour?
Sour, yeah.
Candy makes it more sour. I'll put our map up.
Gonna look for our shoulder. Let's do this.
So your idea here is to build up your speed so you get on the road going the same speed as the traffic. Or you don't slow them down.
We have a big truck.
But stop if you have to. Okay. Good.
Okay, we're good.
Mm-hmm.
We're good.
We got a lot of first time experiences today.
Yeah, having these two wall sprayers and overtaking and undertaking. So it's speed limit 70. We're in 65. We're in a slow lane. Yan, may bahay. Oversized road. Oversized load, I mean. Ang bahay, guys, sinakay sa truck. Yan, traffic na. Nandito na kami sa Greenville.
Oh, two
Traffic lang.
there are two
One.
coffee places on this road.
Okay.
Five Guys, chicken filet.
Hi guys, so itutur ko kayo sa aming hotel. Dito ka nga pala kami sa Residence Inn ng Marriott. So ito, maliit lang siya. Ayan, ito yung kusina. Tapos may table dito. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-prepare. Kakarating lang din. I had my coffee. So dito may mga ano na microwave and everything. Tapos walang laman yung freezer. Kung meron mga pagkain, pwede nyo ilagay dito. Tapos meron isang sala. Then may office doon. Nag-work muna si daddy. Pagkatapos may TV. And then we're gonna go now dito sa aming room. So ito yung queen size. Tapos ayan. Problem ko yung aircon dyan, no? Tapos dyan pa naman ako matutulog kasi nasa ano ako nasa right lane kumbaga ng bed. And then of course my TV. And then ito yung ano ni daddy pag natutulog siya. Tapos na-arrange ko na yung mga dress namin. And then tomorrow. Tapos ay nako, ito yung CR na naman. Ang liit pa. Tapos guys, walang bidet. Alam nyo na, of course maisip tayo. Ayan, meron tayong tubig. Naka-ready na yan. Tapos yung shower. And of course, ayan. Pakaner. O, diba? Ayan. So, ito yung ano namin. Patayin natin para to conserve life. Energy, I mean. So, ayan. Dito na. Pagkatapos, guys, dyan sa labas, may pool. So, hanggang 10 p.m. yung pool mamaya. O, diba? Perfect. Keep gate closed. Ang ganda. Ayan, so dito kami sa Red Bull. It's an Asian bistro. Gonna be having our dinner here in an Asian store. In Asian flowers. So much.
Do you need anything else with that?
It's a huge, it's a big American.
I think we can make several meals out of this.
Ayan guys, so nakapag-dinner na kami. Diyos ko, grabe yung kanin dito. Umalis na kami kasi may may 3 para, kaluka. Natakot ako. Si Daddy. Ito kami pala sa Lowe's, bumili ng cortisone para sa aking rashes. Tapos, nakalimutan namin yung aming soap. My goodness. Buti lang talaga. Very care ang aking husband. Thank you. Hi guys, so napabili kami nitong cortisone. Nag-allergy na naman tayo. So sa mga itchy cream to, nag-flaky naman siya. So kailangan natin maglagay. Dahil nung nakaraang araw, kumain tayo ng bawal. Pag kumakain ako ng tuna, automatic talaga siya. Yung nasa dilata. So ito, nakakatulong to para mag-stop yung pamamaga, pangangati at yung flakes. Minsan para siyang dandruff. Para siyang eczema. But anyways, ito yung dahilan kaya minsan allergy ako sa mga seafoods. Oh, diba? Yun lang. Ayan, punta na kami dun sa kasi makikipag-living kami sa mama ng pinsan ni Daddy. Diba?
Oh, a Russian boy wanted to come be my...
Ayan, magdi-dinner muna kami ni Daddy. Diba, naka-jeans ako.
They're all low calorie, but nobody
Thank
sees
you.
to eat them, right?
That is right. It shows it on there, guys.
Hello.
Take your medicine.
Not yet. There once you stop from. That is done. It is dental. So how is it?
Good. He came out to see you and you're already gone.
And guys, so gonna.
Oh, we never got gas. Yeah, we got gas.
Yeah.
We're good.
So ano, tayo yung nag-drive. Rest muna kami para makapagtingnan mo yung ano. Ang liit ko kasi, di ba?
Small, gas efficient, and just a runabout. You just want to run about the areas where you are, you know.
Yeah. O diba?
Can I bring down some bread, guys?
Ayan, so dumaan muna kami dito sa Farm Fresh Produce. Bumili kami ng watermelon at saka apple. Rest muna for a while and then continue. We still have 51 minutes to go. Before the go, so tayo nag-drive guys. Ayan, dito na kami. Magpapark na ang bayot. Park ay ito ang parking lot namin. Pop. Let's see. It's perfect. Ayan, so tayo muna ang nag-drive guys. Dito na kami sa bahay. Yung bahay guys. So patay natin yung mga gamit.